Hi everyone, welcome back to kristyyumfoods, where we make healthy eating fun and delicious for the whole family. Today I am showing you how to make two creamy, rich and sugar-free homemade soy milk that are perfect for kids and adults alike. Store-bought soy milk often comes with added sugar and preservatives, but homemade soy milk is fresh, full of nutrients and customizable. Let's jump right in. Watch till the end for the full recipe and tips, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell for more healthy and active recipes. Let's check out some of the ingredients we will be using. Of course, soy beans or soya beans. We need to remove any form of dirt that we can find on the soybeans. Of course, we also be using dates, like we said that it is a natural soya milk or soy milk, so no sugar at all. We'll be using date syrup, and we will be using ginger as well, the wet ginger. So now we are starting with organic soybeans. Rinse them well and soak them in water with some vinegar added in them overnight or for at least 8 hours. They will double in size, so make sure to use plenty of water while soaking them. Scrub gently and rinse several times until the soya beans is cleaned. And here is a tip: you can add a pinch of salt while washing the soy milk, and then you rinse it. This will also enhance the flavor and kill the germs, just like what vinegar is going to do in it. But the salt will enhance the flavor. Let's check out some benefits of soy milk, homemade soy milk. It helps with weight management. It supports muscle growth for kids and adults. It aids digestion and good for gut health. Naturally sugar-free when homemade. You can actually control the kind of sweetener you want to use if you want a sugar-free soy milk. It is also rich in vitamins and minerals, and it is budget friendly and sustainable as well. Now, after soaking, drain and rinse the beans and then add them to a blender with some fresh filtered water. Blend until smooth, then strain using a nut milk bag or cheesecloth or muslin cloth. This removes the pulp, also called okara, which you can save for baking later. We have videos on how you can use your okara, that is your soy milk chaff or pulp, to make muffins, okara pancake and okara balls, that is high protein okara balls. So check out the link in the description box below to watch the videos. Wear a glove while filtering this or while going through this process, or better still, if you want to use your bare hands, you can sanitize your hands with some ethanol and then wash them well and clean with some non-fragrant soap so as to prevent germs in our soya milk, because germs in the soya milk will cause quick spoilage, and as we know, it is not good for the body. Do you want to level up on your baking skills, cooking skills, or recipe skills? Then you can get permanent access to my recipe cookbook and other ebooks. Check out the link in the description box below to see how you can get access now, and also to our online courses. And we have an ebook on how to make over 100 different types of soy milk with soy milk business, preservation, storage and profit. So check out the link in the description box below to get access now. Now pour your strained milk into a saucepan and bring to a gentle boil over medium heat. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes while stirring occasionally. This step removes the raw bean taste and ensure it is safe for kids and everyone. Now, after boiling for about 5 minutes under low heat, we then go in with the cinnamon stick, the grated ginger, and the date syrup. You can check out the link in the description box below. We have a video on how to make homemade date syrup. It is natural and no preservatives added, so check out the link in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, this will be the right time for you to subscribe and join the family now. We drop new videos every week. Now let's check out the second variant. Like we said, we are making two rich different soya milk. So now this is the beetroot soya milk or soy milk. Get your beetroot ready. Beetroot combined with soy milk creates a nutritious and health boosting drink. It improves blood health, it boosts energy and stamina, it enhances brain function, it is rich in antioxidants, and so on. So we are going to wash this very clean. We will wash the body very clean. We are not going to peel the skin. We will just wash it and scrub it very well. After scrubbing the skin and we have a very clean beetroot, we will slice it and then blend and set aside. Still the same process as the soy milk that we made initially. Then we will add in some blended beetroot. After allowing the soy milk to cool down, we will add in some blended beetroot and we will strain it again. Remember, we have strained it the other time. We will also strain this again for the final time. Now let's check out some tips for storage of the soy milk. Store in the fridge for up to 4 days. You can use it in smoothies, cereals, or warm it up with cinnamon like we did for a cozy treat. And don't forget to save that soybean pulp okara for pancake, muffins, okara balls, veggie burgers, and so on. And check out the link in the description box below again to watch the videos. Now let's look at how to make use of our okara, that is the soy milk pulp. Okara is full of fiber, protein, and nutrients, and rather than throwing it away, it can be stored and reused in many creative ways. Short-term use. How can you store okara? Store in airtight container and then use within 2 to 3 days. That is in the fridge. But for long-term use, portion into freezer-safe bags or containers and freeze for up to 3 months in the freezer. Now for drying, spread okara on a baking tray and dry in the oven at low heat for a few hours or use dehydrator. You can now grind it into flour like texture. This is optional though. And then store in an airtight jar or container. Its shelf life is up to 6 months. We also have a video on how to use your okara to make cookies. The link will also be in the description box. Have you ever tried beetroot in soy milk? And would you give this combo a try? Which do you prefer? The ordinary soy milk or the one added with some beetroot? Please let me know in the comments below. We have a video on how to make rich soy milk for business, its preservation, storage, and profit. Check out the link in the description box below to watch that video. If you enjoyed this sugar-free soy milk recipes, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, like and share your thoughts in the comment box for more awesome recipes. See you in our next video.